One of the unique products that Buildex offers is called a Dektite. Here's a couple of different versions, smaller and larger. Picture that same airplane hangar that we were talking about earlier, where in this case now what you have to have is there'll be pipes that stick up through the roof. The furnace, exhaust, whatever it might be. And of course you want to do your very best not to allow moisture in to the inside of the airplane hangar. The Dektite, as you can see, has a couple of different sizes. In the catalog, you'll be able to see the differences. There's a Dektite number 1 all the way, I think, up through a number 7 or a number 8. Can't remember. But you can cover a 1/4 inch diameter all the way up to 13 inches. And depending on what the diameter is, you will choose the Dektite. The good news here, though, too, is you can see these ribs. So it's not 13 different Dektite. It's only 3 or 4. Because each of these can be cut at a certain level, and then what you do is you're standing up on the roof, you cut the Dektite to its correct diameter, and you slide it down over the pipe, and then fasten with a Tek screw all around the perimeter to hold it still, creating this perfect seal for the pipe that sticks up and out of the roof.